the planning, execution, and control of the physical movement and storage of goods. So for example, Walmart is nag-operate siya og sophisticated logistics strategy nga i-combine niya ang data analytics o atong techniques para ma-minimize ang flow sa distribution sa product. Then channel management interface with logistics. Channel management and logistics interact in 4 critical ways. So first is defining member service standards, setting expectation for delivery speed, order accuracy, and product availability. So for example, is delivery truck. So ang company kay magamit sila ang delivery truck para po ma-distribute ang product dito sa ilang designated na areas. And second is ensuring logistic programs meet standards. Designing logistic programs that fulfill channel requirements. So, example po is sa GIT or sa just-in-time na if ang company is, if yung company is mag-deliver ka, for example sa automotive, pinahanglan na ang parts ato mag-ikuha sa customer kay mag-deliver nimo siya kung pinahanglan nila kanang walay mga delay. Third is selling logistic programs to channel members, communicating benefits and details of logistic solutions to partners. So for example, ang beverage ko is sa company sa beers o drinks. So nag-struggle sila sa pag-distribute silang product kay na sila yung mga problema like for example, high cost and yung problema sa gasolina. So hindi nila og another logistic or firm which is ibutan ka lang is logistic siya nga company nga offer sa ila o okay para kanang ang mapadali ilang pag-distribute sa ilang product. So win-win situation po sila kay if ever maka-rebate og 10% ang beverage ko kay umuwi man po siya sa logistic ang 90% if ang beverage ko kay maka-deliver siya og products within 6 months. The role of logistics. The nature of logistics role in the marketing channel is the movement of the right volume of the right goods with the right location at the right time. So third part of logistics provides for the first, specialized in performing most of all the logistical tasks, manufacturers or other channel members would normally perform themselves. So for example, that is ang Amazon. Ang Amazon is one of the leading company in terms of channel management. So ang Amazon kay pinagi sa ilang paspas dito network din, gagamit sila og mga technologies like robots or AI para kahit ako mga technologies mo sila mag-manage sa pag-sort sa product, pag-package, pag-picking, or pag-distribute. Logistics systems. There are 6 components of logistics systems. First is transportation, materials handling, order processing, inventory control, warehousing, and packaging. So first is transportation. It's the backbone of logistics involving the movement of goods from one location to another within the supply chain. So sama-sama dito nila is ang example na is delivery trucks. Like mas convenient mo ang mga vehicles sa pag-deliver sa goods. Then second is material handling, covers all activities related to moving, protecting, storing, and controlling products throughout manufacturing, warehousing, and distribution. So for example, sa factory, diba, kabantay mo sa factory, for example, kanang mga case sa botella, magamit man sila conveyor, bitaw, utang para mga lifting machines para mapadali ang process sa pag-transfer sa goods. At the same time, naka-minimize po sila sa manual labor, then ma-reduce po nila ang mga possible na damage sa mga product, then ma-avoid sa nila ang risk sa injury sa workplace. Third is order processing. Encompasses all steps from receiving a customer order to delivering the product and issuing invoice. So for example, ang customer kay nag-order siya product online sa is data. So ang management ato sa katong i-order kay syempre automatic man jud sila mag-kuan sila diretso og inventory then sila na din bahala mag-kuan atong order mag-place, mag-package, then ma-distribute siya dito sa customer. Fourth, inventory control aims to maintain optimal stock levels to meet customer demand while minimizing cost. So for example, sa company, you have to figure masakto mas stock on hand para dili bitaw siya sakto na siya mas stock para ma-minimize yung cost and at the same time, kapag mas stock na yung dili ko siya masaya. they are distributed to customers or retailers. So for example, ano mga finished goods, so ano
Rapid result of the output of the logistics system customer service. So what is the output of a logistics system? So customer service is the result of outcome of the logistic process. It reflects how well a company delivers product to the customers. So kani siya kay it measures how the product delivered at the right place at the right time. Dayon kung sakto ihang delivery at the same time. Next. Right. There are 9 paid logistics services standards. So according to SGET, GALS, OCE, and IB, for example, stress the following 9 categories of logistics service standards. So first, time from order received to order shipment. So time from when an order is received to when it is shipped. So it is the wala. So kasi siya kay it measures how quickly the product or item is delivered by the seller. So time from order received to order shipment kay kanang one. Kung sa ka paspas ang order na abot sa inyo ha. Then next, order size and assortment constraints. So ability to allow various order sizes and product combinations. So kani siya kay kuan siya ang kanang company or ang factory kay kuan siya na stay ability kita mo handle kanang products na small items o big items. So kanang kuan sila flexible kita ang ilang company. So for the ilang product or shop, for example kanang Shopee, di ba usually sa Shopee dili lang kay one item lang nila ang media. So naman sila yung mga kita sila mga item tapos na ilahi kita ang ilang kuan ilang product sa ilang kuan sa ilang shop. So next, percentage of items out of stock. So how often items ordered are not available? So out of stock. So ang company kaya mag-order sila, ano bitang ngayon sila kanang sila i-hire na ikaw mag-monitor ani nga kung ano siya, ino ba na siya products kaya i-monitor nito if out of stock ba na siya. Di ba kapatid ko sa Shopee again na out of stock siya kaya aling items out of stock na siya tapos mamay na lang inihalit ang items nga available sa Shopee. So ano siya example sa percentage of items out of stock. So next, percentage of orders to build accurately. So the percentage of orders to ship with correct items and quantities. So kani siya rin na stage kay before nimo siya seller before siya i-ship. So ilahan yung datawang items mga ilahan gihatag sa inyo is correct siya and the quantities po sa inyo ang i-order is sakto. So pareha po sa tuwa kita ang buyer. So before biya maabot ang product sa tuwa may account niya siya i-check ang items so sakto ba ang items na abot sa tuwa. Tapos ang quantities mo pila siya pa. The next, percentage of orders filled within a given number of days from receipt to the order. So the ability to meet promised delivery timeless. So kuan siya kanang as much as possible ang kanang company or delivery rider kaya na sila ikanapit ang ilahan mag-deliver sa inyo ha kanang basta sila ilang delivery sa inyo ha. Iba usually sa mag-order na po na siya sa Shopee mag-order na kaya mo sila nga ang time frame sa ito ang malawang sa ito kaya sa within 7 days. So na may iba na nga 2 days na siya. So it means na ilahan pa nila na ilahan bitang delay ilahan bitang pag-process sa orders ninyo is basta silang pag-process sa inyong order. The next, percentage of order filled. So number of orders filled without any missing items. So kani siya nga stage kay before ang seller mag-deliver or magpa-ship sa inyong orders ilahan natin na sila kanang tao kanang sila mismo mag-check nga kani dapat sa kuni ilang orders kay diba para maging sila customer satisfaction para maging sila irate sila sa customers ilahan lang isa-isa exacto na ilang orders. Next, percentage of customers orders that arrives in good condition. So share of orders delivered without damage. So diba Shopee po so tanang kuan mag-order na sa Shopee kay diba mag-satisfied man kita sa ato ang kuan sa ato ang kanang orders if ang nabot na order sa tuwa kay walay damage tas kanang nice quality. So ano siya. The next, order cycle time from order placement to order delivery. So total time from order placement to delivery. So same lang siya atong sa isa kanina nga
following are the most important. First is the financial status of channel member, character and reputation, quality of service offered by the channel member to other customers, and fourth is the physical facilities of channel member and the channel member to his family. So first is the financial status. So ang financial status, financial status is nag-involve siya by analyzing financial statements sa isang business such as balance sheet, income statement, and the cash flow statement. Character and reputation. Ang character and reputation is, ang character is inherent trait siya or attribute that define an entity such as business, product, or services na maka-include sa qualities like innovation, customer focus, o adaptability. While ang reputation is mag-collect siya perception or mga opinion sa mga stakeholders such as customers, vendors, o partners that hold about entity based sa ilang past action, performance, o characteristic. And last is quality of service offered. Quality of service offered refers to overall standard or level excellence business or service provided delivers to meeting customer needs.
Electronic marketing channels, also known as digital marketing channels, it's a platform or medium that uses electronic devices such as internet to promote products and services. So there are electronic marketing channels include social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and many more to promote business and to talk to customers. For example, isa na ang imong i-promote na kay business tapos imong i-promote imong business using kanang social media platform like sa Facebook, dito mo i-promote imong business. So mag-post ka o picture or kanang information at feature sa product para makabalo ang mga customer nga kung sa imong i-promote ng product. Website marketing. It involves promoting a business or product to a website to attract and engage with the target audience. So, example is kanang sa Jollibee. Naman na sila yung website na dito nila ibutang ilang mga information about sa business